Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Startup Academy, your online gateway to success in ISS exam. This academy is exclusively for ISS only, and we have been doing the topic time series, which is the third part of our statistics descriptive paper 3. And in that, we have completed the seasonal variation portion, measurement of seasonal variations. We have completed all four methods, and now we'll start with the new topic in the seasonal variation only, which is de-seasonalization of data. What is meant by de-seasonalization of data? As we all know that de-seasonalization, from the word only, de-seasonalization means removing the seasonal component from the data given. And in the starting only, I have told you in seasonalization methods of estimation, we'll find out the seasonal variations. The purpose of finding out the seasonal variation was to find out seasonal variation and to remove this from the rest of the data given, and hence seasonal variation is removed and we are left with only trend, cyclical and random components. So this is only is meant by deseasonalization data. So de-seasonalization means, first of all, it includes two steps: finding the seasonal component which is denoted by ST via any three methods. Any of methods, any of the following methods. So first method was simple average method. Second was ratio to trend method. Third was ratio to moving average method. And the last one was, which we did in the last class, was link relative method. So any of these methods can be used to find out the seasonal component. And then after this, the second step includes removing the seasonal component from the given data. Now this can also be done by two methods. First was, if we have a multiplicative model. Case 1, if there is multiplicative model. What is meant by multiplicative model? That our model is something like yt is equals to trend into seasonal component into cyclical component into random component. So when our model has all the components multiplied, then it is multiplicative model. In the starting we did this. If you are not aware of this, then you can re-watch the video again. And so we'll divide yt by this seasonal variation which we have find out in the first step. So if we divide ST into CT into RT. If we divide all of these YT by seasonal, then we'll be left with the rest three components, which are trend, cyclical, and random. Okay. And case 2 is when we have additive model. Additive model means that all the components are in addition. These can be addition or subtraction, whatever sign you can write. You can write plus, minus, ST like this also. So addition is similar to subtraction, and multiplicative is equal to divisive model. So the model here is YT is equals to trend plus seasonal plus cyclical plus random. All these four components, sum of all these four components. So now we can remove this by subtracting the seasonal from the data. So TT plus ST plus CT plus random component minus ST will be, we are left with trend, cyclical, and random component. So this was our de-seasonalization of data. It includes two steps. First step is finding out the seasonal indices or seasonal variations by using any four methods that we have done in the previous lectures. And the second step is to remove it by dividing or by subtracting it from multiplicative or additive model respectively. Now we'll do one question on this. So the question given is, so this is an example in which we have been given months, and then we have been provided with a seasonal index. I'm writing seasonal index. The months are given as January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. So these are the months and the seasonal indices respectively are 75, 80, 98, 128, 75, 80, 98, 128, 137, 119, 102, 137, 119, 102, 104, 100, 102, 82, 73. 100, 102, 82, 73. Okay. So these are the seasonal indices. These are I am reading the question. A firm estimates its sale for a particular year to be 24 lakh. The seasonal indices are given in the table. So this is talking about the firm. This is the data of a firm in which per month seasonal index has been given, and the estimated sale are 24 lakhs. Using this information, calculate the estimates of monthly sale. So we have to assume that there is no trend in this, and we have to calculate the monthly sale. So first of all, we have to calculate the seasonal index. We have been given seasonal indices or seasonal index. For a singular one, we'll say indices, index, and for plural, we'll say index, indices. For singular index and for plural, we'll say indices. So we have been given seasonal index of 12 months, and we have to calculate the seasonal effect of these seasonal indices, and after that we'll multiply these the effect by 2, because we have to calculate for, okay, the formula is, first of all, we'll calculate seasonal effect, and then we'll calculate the estimated value, or we can say it YT, because we have assumed, the question say that assume trend is absent or trend is not present. So we have assumed trend is not present. So first of all, what is the formula for seasonal effect? Seasonal effect is equals to seasonal indices index upon 100. So the formula for seasonal effect would be seasonal index upon 100, and the estimated value of YT, since the question says that the estimation should be of is 24 lakhs, and we have to calculate for 12 months. So for 1 month it is 2 lakh. So for 12 month it should be 24 lakh upon 12, which is equal to 2 lakhs. So we'll multiply it by 2, and the our estimation would be in lakhs. So we'll calculate it in lakhs. We'll say that it is in lakhs. Okay. So first of all, we'll calculate the seasonal effect. Seasonal effect is dividing all of these by 100. So 75 divided by 100 would be 0.75. Then 80 divided by 100 would be 0.80. Then 98 would be 0.98. Then 1.28. Then 1.37. 1.19. 1.02. 1.04. 1.00. 1.02. 0.82 and 0.73. All of these have been divided by 100, and thus we'll get our seasonal effect. The estimated value of YT would be, if I multiply all of these by 2 lakhs. So instead of 2 lakhs, I'm just multiplying all of these by 2, and I'm writing the formula. Estimated value is equals to 2 lakh, or we can say 2 1 2 3 4 5 lakhs into our seasonal effect. This we can say is seasonal effect. So instead of lakh, I am multiplying it by 2, and I have written on the top that these values are in lakh, or you can directly multiply it by lakh only, and you can write the table as lakhs. So in the first value, I'm multiplying it by 2. So 2 multiplied by 1.75 would be 1.50. Then it would be 1.60. Then it would be 1.96. Then it would be 2.56. Then this would be 8 2.38, then this would be 2.04, then 2.08, then 2.00, 2.04, 46.1, 64.1. If we calculate the total of these would should come out to be 24. So if I calculate this, 6 plus 6, okay, 6, 10, 6, 10, 20, and 30. 30 plus 16. 30 plus 16 is 46. Here it will be 4. And then 4, 10, 20, 30, 39, and 42. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21.26. We have skipped one value, which is the multiplication of this, which would be 2.74. And if we add 2.74 here, we'll get a total value of 24, which is coming our estimation in lakhs. Total should be our estimation in lakh, and hence we have found out the estimated value of every month for the company, assuming that there is no trend. So this was one of the example. You can practice much more examples like this of de-seasonalization of data from your books, or online many materials are available. And if you have doubt in this question, then you can ask on our WhatsApp channel, or under in the comment section as well. Only relevant doubts will be answered. I am hoping that all of you are continuously working and watching the videos on a regular basis. If not, if some of you haven't even started with some subjects, then all the lecture videos are available on our YouTube channel. You can watch them and you can practice with them. And it is with the practice that we are going to able to clear this exam. Without it, nobody is able to clear this exam. First of all, we'll have to complete the syllabus, and after that only we'll be able to do something in the exam. So keep on working towards your goal, and keep on working hard. All the best. Thank you.